Welcome to session 5. Now that you're all familiar with a lot more words, we will run through these a little more quickly. Numbers 41 through 50. Pattu gooma, pinna 31 gooma, 41 owls. 20 kappe or frogs and 22 kappe becomes 42. 30 bigha logs and 13 bigha together become 43 bigha. 40 kondi and 4 kondi together become 44 kondi. 10 motte and 35 motte together becomes 45. 20 chakra and 26 chakra. Echakachi 46 wheels. 30 keys and 17 keys together they become 47. 40 jana pinna 8 jana. 40 jana 8 jana kudoka 48. 10 pakshi pinna 39 pakshi kudoka echakachi 49. And today we have one special number, right? 20 bera and 30 bera together become 50. 50. Let's go through some animals and some birds. Pakshi is bird. Mane pakshi is sparrow. Kake is crow. Koli is chicken or it can be a hen. Koli. Kaad koli is jungle fowl, often found in Coorg. Kaad koli is jungle fowl. Kambli pulu is caterpillar. Caterpillar is kambli pulu. Chitta is butterfly. Chitta is butterfly. Pulu is worm. Pulu is worm. Umblu is leech. Leeches bite you when you go to the estate in Malegala, rainy season, right? Umblu, leech. Pambu is snake. Pambu is snake. Now we'll go to paternal relationships, that is Bendu Chacha. Tata and Avaya are grandfathers and grandmothers, that is father's dad and father's mom. Balyappa, Kunyappa and Bojappa are all father's brothers. Balyappa, Bojappa and Kunyappa. Mami is father's sister. All father's sisters are called Mami. Balyappa is dad's older brother or uncle, and Balyava is Balyappa's wife. Bojappa is uncle, again dad's brother, and Bojava is Bojappa's wife. Bojappa's wife is Bojava. Kunyappa is uncle, dad's younger brother, and Kunyava is Kunyappa's wife. Akka and Anna, fathers, brothers, children, if older to you, are called either Akka or Anna. Mami or aunt is dad's sister. Dad's sister is called Mami and Mami's husband is called Mama. In Mami we have Balya Mami, that is older Mami, Boji Mami and Kunye Mami. You also hear people saying Boj Mami or Boj Mami, Mami, Kunye Mami, Balya Mami. They can be combined and said together. Mama In mama we have Balya mama, Boji mama, Kunyi mama. Baba and Mamma are father's sister's children. Father's sister's children are all called Baba and Mamma. Now some household items. Batte is cloth. Podiya is sari. Podiya is sari. Sural is pant. Pant is called sural. Chalemundu is towel. You know the small soft cotton towels? Chalemundu is towel. Kambli is blanket. Blanket is called kambli. Cheap is called comb. Comb is called cheap. Kannadi is mirror. Kannadi is mirror. Chombu is small pot. A small pot is called chombu. Bindiga is a big pot. Big steel pot or a big metal pot is called bindiga. Ganta is bell. Ganta is bell. Mukkali is a three-legged stool. Mukkali is a three-legged stool. Palya is a flat seat. Palya is a flat seat. Now let's do some more food in Kodataka. Votti is the rice flat bread that all of us love so much. Votti is the rice flat bread. Pajji is the dip. Pajji or chutney is the dip. More Pajji is a raita. Different kinds of raitas are called more Pajji. Nu puttu is string hoppers. String hoppers are called nu puttu. Bellath neeru is jaggery water. Jaggery water is called bellath neeru. Pal puttu is steamed rice cakes. Pal puttu is steamed rice cakes. Koli curry is chicken curry. Kadambuttu is steamed rice dumplings. Steamed rice dumplings are called kadambuttu. Pandi curry. We all know what pandi curry is, right? Pork curry. Pandi curry. Then we have neikulu or ghee rice. Neikulu is ghee rice. Koriyarchi is mutton. Mutton is called koriyarchi. Koli barthadu is chicken fry. Chicken fry is koli barthadu. Now let's go to the grammar part. Here, kambu to be seen. K to or fa, for. Ippa k, this kind of thing. Maduva k. Okay. Kambu to see, to be seen. Kamba, kambu. Neeku illi edu pranina kamba? What animal do you see here? Naku illi oru payyu kamba. Here I see a cow. Adilu is under. Kodilu is above. Porme outside. Olulu is inside. Minnyathulu in front. Bayathlu is behind. Balthabarilu on the right side. Eduthabarilu on the left side. Worries maduvaku, to worry. Worries maduvaku is to worry. Kelsa maduva is to work. Kelsa maduva to work. ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವ, to cook. ಶುರು ಮಾಡುವ, to begin. ಬೇಜಾರ ಮಾಡುವ, to be sad. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುವ, to increase. ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡುವ, to decrease or to reduce. ದುಡ್ಡು ಮಾಡುವ, to make money. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಬ? നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ಎಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಬ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನಾಲ್ಕು ஒரு ಬಾಳೆಪಣ್ಣು ಕಾಂಬ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಲ್ಕು ஒரு ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲಿ ಕಾಂಬ. So similarly, can you say sentences for all of these words here? ಈ ಚಿತ್ರത്തിൽ കാക്ക എല്ലി ഉണ്ട്? എടുത്ത ബരിയിലുണ്ടാ? ಬಲತ ಬರಿಲುಂಡಾ? or ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾಕ ಏದು ಬರಿಲು ಉಂಡು? ಕುದುರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಡು? ಏದು ಬರಿಲು ಉಂಡು ಕುದುರೆ? ಈ ಚಿತ್ರത്തിൽ പൊടിയ എല്ലി ഉണ്ട്? ഏത് ബരിയിൽ ഉണ്ട്? ഈ ചിത്രത്തിൽ സുർവാൽ എല്ലി ഉണ്ട്? ഏത് ബരിയിൽ ഉണ്ട്? അടിയിലുണ്ട? കൊടിയിലുണ്ട? ഈ ചിത്രത്തിൽ ഗಂಟೆ എല്ലി ഉണ്ട്? I want you to answer this and tell me. This is new. ಗಂಟೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಡು? Thank you for listening. I hope you learn more words and are able to connect to all the grammar that is here. Bye.